Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix App Store missing on iPhone. Simply just finding in the app library and just type it in the search App Store simply as well. And if you just can't find the App Store in app library, just go back on the home and just finding the iPhone settings simply as well. Scroll down, just finding the screen time and scroll down, just tap on it, the content privacy restrictions, and you will see the iTunes App Store purchases. Simply just tap on it, and number one is option is installing apps. So make sure you will just have to allow it and just go back and make sure this will be the settings as same that I set it. So you will see the App Store will be just get back. So in this way you will just have to fix App Store missing on iPhone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.